This is the perfect dinner when you're craving a bowl of comforting carbs. This is my creamy bacon and pea pasta. So let's get cooking. We're going to start with the pasta. We want to cook 400 grams or 14 ounces of pasta shells in a large pan of boiling salted water for 1 minute less of the packet instructions. While the pasta's cooking, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large frying pan over a medium heat. Then we're going to add 160 grams, which is about 5 3/4 ounces of bacon lardons, and fry them for about 5 to 6 minutes, stirring occasionally until golden. Remove from the pan with a slotted spoon, leaving that lovely bacony oil behind. Now to that oil, add a finely diced onion and cook for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring often until soft. By now the pasta should be cooked. We want to drain it, reserving a cup of the cooking water. Now add 2 minced cloves of garlic to the pan with the onion and cook for a further minute. Stir a chicken stock cube into the cup of pasta water. Now add that cooked pasta to the pan with the onions, plus half of the stock flavoured cooking water. Add in 120 ml or half a cup of double or heavy cream and 150 grams, which is about 1 cup of frozen peas. Stir it all together and heat through for 2 minutes, stirring often. Now add in 75 grams, which is about 3/4 of a cup of grated parmesan. Stir it all together. You can add a bit more of that pasta cooking water if you want to loosen the sauce at all. Once that parmesan is melted, add the cooked bacon lardons back to the pan and cook for a further 1 to 2 minutes until the bacon's hot. And then we're going to dish that pasta out into bowls, sprinkle on a little black pepper and some freshly chopped parsley, and we're ready to eat. This is one of those simple dinners that I crave all the time. I'm sure I could eat it for every single meal. See you next time.